Okay, we have two low pressure systems. The first one is going to affect mostly southern half of PA, down towards Philadelphia and down along there, in South Jersey and in Delaware. The second one, a low is going to cut up, um, and it's gonna cut up through the lakes, but there's going to be some residual precipitation here in Pennsylvania, and that one's going to affect northern PA and everything. So let's take a look at the first one. This is around 9 o'clock Tuesday night. You can see it's just starting to break out, and as you can see at midnight, it's right along the southern viewing area here, where there's any kind of steady precipitation. It does get up here towards the southern Poconos, gets up towards Stroudsburg, Lower Pike County, and then into North Jersey on the latest maps here. And then, as you can see, as you get to around 4 a.m., it starts to get out of there, and that's kind of all you got for the first storm. The snow from it, again, is quite small. As you can see, in the lower Poconos, you don't get a heck of a lot, maybe an inch at most or so. You got to go down here towards Reading and Allentown. So it's a pretty light kind of storm. To the north, you got nothing. There's no sleet or freezing rain involved with this. It's just a low is going to track to the south of Pennsylvania. Now, the second low pressure system, this is around 5 o'clock Wednesday. You don't have a lot of rest in between them. But down northern PA, you get into the snow. And this one will be a mix. This will have snow, it'll have sleet, it'll have freezing rain, just kind of like the other ones. This is 8 o'clock at night. Snow's broken out in northeastern PA. Snow's broken up in northern Jersey. It started. And as you can see, as we get to around 9, it's still snowing. It's still snowing around 10. There's 11. There's 12. Here is about 1 in the morning. You can see it's breaking up and starting to move off. And then you have some mix coming through around 2 a.m. And then it kind of works its way off as a mix as it goes by. What you have from the second storm is an inch to 3 inches for the most part throughout the area. The valleys maybe an inch or so. But the higher elevations get 2, 3 inches out of this. It's not a big storm. What you also have to deal with is a very small amount of sleet. These areas here in Tink and Salmon, or whatever you want to call it, you're talking maybe a tenth of sleet, and your freezing rain, even that's measured in hundredths of an inch. So it's not that much, but there will be some mixture involved with it then. So if you're wondering how much snow throughout the viewing area for these two storms, basically, you can see the southern part area has got like 3 or 4 inches. And again, the northern part of the area can get 2, 3, maybe some of the mountainous areas can get 4 between the two storms. Okay, I will not be updating the individual pages on the .com site until the 18th of February. I will be out of town, but I will do a general forecast. So if you need to be updated with another storm or so, I will be updating it in the general forecast map on the top of the page there. All right, everybody, take care. Be safe.